Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Anno Space, where we review some spiritual products and the effective ways in which you can use them to have a positive result. Yeah, by the special grace of God, in this channel, what we do is revealing spiritual products and how we can use them to put the enemies and the devil into shame by the special grace of God. All right. So if you are just joining us for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please stay tuned and make sure that you watch this video to the end. Do not skip any part of this video. And please, after watching, kindly hit the red button that says subscribe and turn on your notification bell on so that whenever I upload new video, you will get the notification. Okay? So, if you have just done that, thank you very much. May God Almighty bless you. Now, guys, I have a lot of products today that I want to review to you. All I want you to do is to pay attention to know how to use these products and what it works for. Okay? Now, number one product I want to review is this perfume. This is called Miracle Perfume. Indeed, it is a miracle perfume. You can get this in any mystic shop, or if you cannot get it there, all you have to do is to write me at the comment section and I will drop my number there. Then you can chat me up on how to get this product. Now, let me tell you what this product does. It is called Miracle Perfume. This perfume, this special perfume, does more than what the name is. This perfume, for some people who spiritual products, spiritual works are not working in their life. Maybe you just finish making a prayer with salt, the salt that other people use in removing negativity, but when you use it, it doesn't work in your life. When you use alligator pepper, it doesn't work. You can use this spiritual, you can use this miracle perfume to make it work. How would you use it? The moment you are done bathing, all you have to do is to pray on this product, okay, and then you just put it on your right hand, then you rub it as a mark of cross on your forehead and at your back. Okay, you can as well add it inside your bathing water. Anything causing delay in your life, anything causing disappointment, anything causing some kind of difficulties, like you are struggling to pull over, you are struggling to make it in life, but something is always dragging you back, and that thing you cannot find it. Always make sure that you put miracle perfume on your bathing water. And not only that, after bathing, make it as a routine by wearing it. Make it as your personal perfume, like just normal perfume by wearing this. Okay. So not only that, it helps in any kind of chest pain. If you're always having chest pain, spiritual constipation, unnecessary body pains, you can as well make use of it. How will you make use of it? You are just to get a fresh glass of water. Now, drop like 7 drop of this inside your drinking water that you have already fetched out on a glass of water, and then you pray over it. You can use Psalm 35 on it, and then after praying it, drink it. The moment this enters inside your body, anything causing body pain, anything causing chest pain, anything causing constipation, spiritual constipation will become a history. Okay, so it's indeed a miracle perfume. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and when you are buying it, make sure that it is original, and let the cover be covered with nylon seal. Okay, that way you will know that it is original. Okay, so look at it very well. That is for miracle perfume. Now another product I want to review today is for those of you who are into business. You are into online business, you have a physical shop, all right? Maybe you are just affiliating markets, and markets is not turning up the way you want. People are not actually patronizing you. and you are wondering, what can you do? What would you use to call your customers back, to make people to begin to come and buy from you? No matter where you are, no matter where your shop is, no matter where your location is, this this is incense. This incense, the name is Business Booming Open My Way Incense. As you can see, it has the dollar, it has the sign of dollar, the sign of money, which actually is for money color. Okay, this perfume will attract this this incense will attract it will attract customers to you. It is called business booming. Yes, that is what it does. When you start burning this incense in your shop, especially in your shop, if you are into online business, maybe you are doing your marketing in the house, make sure that after bathing in the morning, you can use this miracle perfume and bathe, and after perfume wear it and then put this thing on, like you light it inside your house. All right, while it's still burning, be making your prayer, command your customers, command people to come and patronize you. Burn it every day. And the story of not making sales, the story of people not coming in to patronize you will be a history. Okay, it's very, very effective. As they say, it's business booming. Yes, it's business booming, and it's pretty affordable. Is pretty affordable. It is not costly at all. With 3,000, 4,000 naira, you can get it, okay? And you start making use of it. If it's finished, please go and purchase another one because you're going to be seeing an amazing result. So when you mistakenly combine it with these two every day, guys, you are not going to lack money any longer by the special grace of God. Okay, so that is what these two items does. All right. So another product I want to review is Saint Michael oil. Saint Michael oil, this is how it looks. This is a small one. Saint Michael oil is a kind of back to sender oil that you can use to to attack your enemy, that you can use on your body. Every evil hand on your body will be returned back to the sender. Whatever the enemies has done in your life, once you start using this back to sender Saint Michael oil, all the evil things that have already deposited in your body through sickness will just return back to them. Eating in the food will just return back to them. But before you use it, you must have to read some psalms, because there's some psalms reading written on it, like Psalm 51 verse 35. Okay, no, Psalm 51 and Psalm 35. Okay, so these are the psalms that you are going to be reading before you start using this oil, and this oil you can use it morning and night. So this is how it looks like. Okay, and it's a very, very powerful oil. Once you have reading Psalm 35 and Psalm 51 in this oil, they've automatically consecrated it. And anything that you read out in these two psalms, please declare it on this oil and start using it. No evil, every arrow, every enchantment, anything done in your life or use your picture. Once you start using this oil, it should return back to the sender. As you can see, Saint Michael, which is the angels of war. Look at it here, it's having a sword, okay, that is used to destroy your enemy. So that is how it works. Okay, so it's very powerful. All right. So guys, that is just the end of this video for today. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. Please, after watching this video, like it for me, share, and also leave your comment on the comment section. And if you need to reach me out for personal prayer, for special prayer, or you want to order, all you have to do is to chat me on WhatsApp on this number 090 5982 5779 090 5982 5779. I am active on WhatsApp. I love you all. See you on my next video. Remain blessed and be safe. Bye for now.